Two-factor authentication explained in seconds. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, is a security method that adds an extra layer of protection to your accounts by requiring two forms of verification, and not just a password only. How 2FA works. To log into an account with 2FA enabled, you typically need something you know, like your password. Something you have, like a code sent to your phone or generated by an app. Common types of 2FA. SMS code, a 6-digit code sent to your phone via text message. Authenticator app, time-based codes from apps like Google Authenticator, Authy. Email code, a code sent to your email address. Hardware key, a physical device like YubiKey. Biometrics, fingerprint or face recognition, less common as 2FA, more as multi-factor authenticator, MFA. Why use 2FA? Even if someone steals your password, they would find it difficult to access your account without the second factor. This protects you from hackers, phishing attacks, and password leaks. Where should you use 2FA? Enable 2FA on any important account, especially email such as Gmail, Yahoo Mail, and Outlook, banking and financial accounts, social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram, and X, cloud services such as Google Drive and Dropbox, developer platforms like GitHub, AWS, etc. Two-factor authentication is free. It takes only a few seconds to set up, and it can save your entire digital life. Turn it on right now. Don't wait to be hacked. Protect your life. Use 2FA. Your password isn't enough anymore. Be smarter. Be safer. Subscribe, like, and share this video. Turn on the notification bell to know when we post new videos. Blemma Cyber Guard. Cyber safety made simple. Thank you for watching.